Okay, guys, let's get started. So in the last session, we built one Windows 10 machine, and that's a virtual machine. Now we have to take the snapshot of that machine so that in case if something goes wrong, then we can come back to that stage anytime in the future. So we have this Windows 10 machine, the one which we built yesterday, BLR WVM001. Right click on that machine and then take snapshot. Everyone right click and then choose. Now first you have to left click and then right click. Hmm. No, cancel. Huh. Right click. What happened? The
That
machine.
option is grayed out. Do I have to power it on first?
Left click on that first. No, left click.
Yeah, left click. That's it. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, this is right click. Left click. Wait a minute. Could not open virtual machine. File not found in the library. In the library. But we changed that
Yeah,
to
we
ctemp, right?
correct. Kashyap, we changed it to CTEMP yesterday.
Okay. You cannot power on the machine. Can you try power on? I don't think so.
The location.
Mhm. Let's remove this machine and add it from the other location. Remove it. Hmm. File, open, open. Go to C drive. I think it was in temp folder, right? Hmm. Okay, click on this all supported files.
It's on all supported files.
All files. What happened? The files are deleted. Can you go to that location? Cancel this. Yeah, go to that C drive, C temp. Hmm.
Which,
Nothing there.
uh-huh.
Wow. In the document folder, OneDrive. I think it was in.
Was inside this.
Uh-huh.
It was here. I deleted that yesterday
Oh, you deleted.
from OneDrive.
Okay, you deleted the file after shutting off the machine.
Uh, I think even before. I don't remember, Kashyap. I
No,
think
no, we
this
moved the
was.
location,
Yeah,
right?
we moved the location. I deleted the file from OneDrive after we moved it.
No, we did not delete.
No, I
We
I
just.
deleted it. Like it was because it was updating the OneDrive, so it was inside the OneDrive.
Okay. Looks like the machine file is deleted. Okay.
So we have to create again from the start.
We'll have to create again. Okay, no worries. So you have to build again, but make sure this time you change the location, choose the location, see temp or somewhere, not in OneDrive. Okay. So can you check the uh, space in C drive? 140 gigabyte. Hmm. Okay, let's quickly do that. Let's quickly do that. Okay. Create new virtual machine quickly. Yeah. Next.
Typical or custom?
Typical. Next. I will install the operating system later. Next. Windows 10. Yeah, next. Now change the location to s- C drive temp. Hmm, Choose that location. Click OK. Now type in the name of the virtual machine BLR WVM001. Next. Next. 80 gigabyte. Next. And finish. Now edit virtual machine settings. Give 4100 memory. Okay, now the CD DVD drive. Choose use, browse, download folder. Windows 10. Open. Now go to option, access control, encrypt, type password, encrypt, and then advanced, last option, advanced. Enable secure boot, then go to hardware, add, choose TPM, last one, finish, and click on OK. Now, share drive, we have not enabled the share drive. Let's go back to edit virtual machine setting again. Option, shared folder, always enabled. Map, choose map, checkbox, add, next, browse, document folder, OK, next,
Okay, this is again going to OneDrive. Let me change
okay,
it to Spaces Document.
or choose C drive, okay,
Okay, I'll let me select something else. C drive.
C drive is okay.
Only C drive.
Yeah, next, and finish. Now click on OK. Right click on this machine, power, then last option, power on to firmware. Choose second option, CD, CD-ROM. Mm, Enter a couple of times. One more time. Next, install now. Choose I do not have product key. Windows 10 Pro. Next, accept. Next, custom. Next, Okay, leave it as it is for the machine mm, to be ready. Now, so in the last session, we did Windows 10 virtual machine, right? So the machine is now getting ready. So once the machine is ready, we have to take snapshot of the machine. Okay. So how will you take snapshot? Everyone, you have to take the snapshot. Masab, you have to do it later on when the machine is ready.
Sure, sure, sure.
But everyone else, share somebody share your screen, like Raja or Arun, so that I will show you guys.
Okay, Kasif.
Yeah, share your screen. Have you shared, Raja? Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
Kasif, it's visual.
Yeah, I can see the screen now. So the machine
Yeah.
you have not logged into the machine, right? Let's power on the machine, everyone. Let's power on the machine. Power and power on. Power on. Not that one. You don't have to go to the firmware again. 1 minute. Power off the machine and power on again. Right click on the machine and then choose power, power, and power off. Uh, Power off. Now simply power on the machine. Click on the power button. On the top, you have power button, the green button.
Okay.
Mm,
This one.
yes. Okay, while it is powering on, in the meantime, we will take Intune Microsoft 365 E3 license, the free
Okay.
trial license. Okay,
Okay.
so each one of you, you have to have either debit card or credit card. That should be Visa or Master, and you need to uh, have your mobile phone next to you so that it will send the one-time password. One more thing. Did anyone create your account before in the past? I think Arun, you created, right? Hmm?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
I
created
created
it.
sure.
Yeah.
Is your account ready, or is it already expired?
No, account is ready.
Okay, so you
Mine
don't
was
have.
expired.
Okay, so yours is expired. Arun, you have the account ready. Fine. But if your account is expired, Danny, then you will have to use different phone number, different email address, and different credit card or debit card to create another free account. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
If you give old details, then it will not allow you to create a free account again.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, yeah.
Raja, have you created
No,
Intune
no.
account before? You have not. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's open Google Chrome browser, everyone. Now in Google Chrome, you need to type in Microsoft. Let's go to Google, google.com.
Yeah, system is slow. That's why.
Okay.
Is it possible to spin up the client on the Azure and use that, or we need to do the VMware?
Yeah, it is possible, but Azure gives you only 30 days free trial.
Yeah.
So 30 days it's free. After that, you will have to pay for it.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think the Google get 3 months.
Google Cloud.
Yeah.
So you can use Google Cloud or AWS or Azure. If you are comfortable using mm, those cloud, computers, you can do that. But if you have good configuration, better you do it on your computer. So now in Google, you need to type in uh, no, MS 365 MS space 365 space E3 E3 space free trial. Each one of you have to go to this, um, search this in Google, Microsoft 365 E3 free trial. Okay, so the first one comes Microsoft 365 E3 no teams. Okay, so you need to click on that one, each one of you. Now, why we are taking Microsoft 365 E3 rather than Intune? If you take Intune, right, then it is gonna cost. I mean, it will be free trial, the Intune, but apart from Intune, you have to take other license as well. Okay, but this one is the suite license. So this one has Intune plus Microsoft Azure Active Directory license, plus there are other extra licenses are also available in this one. That's the reason we are taking this suite license. Okay.
Okay.
So the
Actually,
cost of,
can you
yeah,
can you tell me that Microsoft 365 E3 license trial, right?
yeah, free trial.
I am getting the different results. That's what.
Are you on Bing?
No, I'm in
Or no?
Google Chrome only.
Okay, so
Microsoft.
Microsoft space 365 space E3 space free trial. Yeah, send the link. Yeah, Masab sent the link on the chat. So you can use that link in Teams. Now, when you reach to this page, you need to click on this try free for 1 month. At the right hand side bottom, you have try free for 1 month. Click on that. Hmm. Now, you see, there are various licenses available inside this suite license. Like you can activate Office product. You can activate Windows operating system, right? You will get email hosting with 100 gigabyte mailbox. There are multiple things, and Intune is also part of that one. Okay, please solve the puzzle. Okay, click on next.
So one question, Kashif, again, sorry. So I have created that Intune and M365 in different times, like in Azure portal also. So will that be matter, or can I use the same email ID here?
Different ID, please. Otherwise, it
Okay.
will not give you the free trial.
Okay.
Now, here you have to type in your email address, which you have not used before. So type in your email address and click on next. Okay, so it says, looks like you need to create a new account. Let's get you started. So click on that one, setup account. Now here you need to fill the details like first name, middle name, surname, job title. Phone number. Now company name, you can give anything of your choice. Try to keep it short, like TCS or HCL or anything. Yeah, fine. Select the company size. Yeah, that's okay. Now company website, no. Choose no. Country, India. Let's click on next. Now send a verification code on your mobile phone. Make sure the number is correct.
Yeah.
So it is gonna send the code on your mobile phone. Enter that code here on this text box. And click on verify. Now, once you reach to this page, here you have username. In username, generally, we keep only first name, okay? Because otherwise it will be very lengthy name. So let's keep only first name instead of the last name as well. So keep only first name. So Prasmajit is your username at and the domain name. So domain LIPL 442. Okay, LIPL is not available. Can you delete LIPL? Sorry, 442. Delete 442. LIPL and then give 5 and choose save to check if that is available or not. Yeah, that is available. So that will be our username. Okay, so username is gonna be now enter password. So username will be prasmojit at lipl5.onmicrosoft.com. Everyone will have to choose your domain name. Okay, anything of your choice, but keep it short. And the password which you are typing in, you have to make a note of it. Click on next. Okay, now here you have to enter your credit card or debit card. Do you have credit card or debit card, Prasmajit?
Credit card.
Visa or
Yeah, Visa.
Master? Okay,
Visa.
good. So if you have credit card, try credit card. That is, all credit card is accepted. But if you have
Okay.
debit, then only some of them are not accepted here. So try credit card if you have. Now click on add payment method. Now wait a minute, don't type in anything here. Here you have to enter the card details, security number, then expiry, name, and address. Make sure you give proper address. Okay, scroll down, scroll down. Then city name, state, and then postal. You have to give correct details here. Otherwise, it will not allow you to create account. So now stop sharing.
Okay.
Stop the sharing. Stop sharing. Good. Now you enter the credit card details, all the
Okay.
details like your uh, expiry and security code, then address, and go to the next page. I think it will deduct 2 rupees from your credit card
Okay.
just for the verification. Okay, do that. And when you go to the next page, then you share your screen again.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Tomorrow we have class or
Tomorrow is Friday. Yes, we will have class tomorrow. You entered the details,
Yeah, Kasif, it is throwing error regarding some address.
address. So you have given correct address.
Yeah.
What is the error message you are getting?
Now it is.
Okay,
Now it is done.
good. Share your screen again if you are done.
Okay. Now it is showing this.
Okay. So you entered the Card details, address. Okay. Scroll down. Now you have to enter the PAN number here. GST is not is optional, but PAN ID is mandatory. You need to
Okay.
enter the PAN ID and below as well, and save. Enter PAN number below. Save. So it's gonna cost you 3,315 rupees per
Okay.
month. When? After 30 days. Okay. Now click on start trial down at the bottom. Scroll up, click on next. You have to download Microsoft Authenticator application on your mobile phone.
Okay.
Everyone, download Microsoft Authenticator on your mobile phone. Each one of you, download that application. That is for multi-factor authentication. If it's already there, that's fine. If it's not downloaded, you need to download it on your iPhone or Android phone. Done?
Yeah.
Okay, so after you download this Authenticator application, you need to click on next.
Yes. Yes. Mm, It's showing that add account.
You click on next here
Okay.
on the computer.
Okay.
Click on next again, next again. Now open the application Authenticator on your mobile phone, and
Yeah.
then on that you have a scan QR code. So choose a scan QR code and scan this QR code and go next.
Yeah. Done.
Go next. Now it is gonna give you a number that you need to enter on your mobile phone.
Next.
Next. Done. Check the box, do not show this message again, and then say yes. Okay, perfect. Now, wait a minute. You have to copy this username, that is prasmojit at lipl5.onmicrosoft.com. So either take a photo of this one or send it to yourself on WhatsApp. Okay, on your mobile, send it to yourself on WhatsApp, and also send your password too. Okay, you do it on your phone, not from here. Oh, at least send the email address from here. Yeah, and enter the password from the phone. Okay, just to save your password. Got it?
Okay.
Everyone, you have to save your email address and password, the Intune email address and password, because if you forget this, then it will be difficult to retrieve it. So Masab, you have created your account.
Yes, Kashyap. Done.
Have you saved the email address and password?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. Ram, what is your status?
Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow, Kashyap, because I don't have new email ID created, so I will create tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yoga Sarvanan.
Yeah, I will create in evening, sir.
Okay. Danny.
Yeah, I will create it. I need to find the credit card.
Okay, get it done today itself. Ria.
Okay.
Ria, you created account? Can't hear you. Ria there? Go here. What is your status? Okay, those who have not created your account, kindly get it ready by today itself before tomorrow's session. Okay. Prasmajit, you saved your password and
Yes,
email
yes.
address?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, down at the bottom, you have this start using Microsoft 365 E3 No Teams trial. Click on that button. Yeah. So when you create your account, guys, you get access to few websites. Okay. What all websites? The first one is this one, Microsoft 365 Admin Center. This is your admin portal. So this portal is basically for managing licenses and bill payment, right? If you in your organization, when you join any organization as Intune administrator, then you don't have to create the account yourself because it will be the company account. The company account will be there, and then you can log into that portal to give license to your employees and revoke license to your employee from your employees account. Plus you the bill payment, you don't have to do it because it will be done from the company credit card or whatever it is. So here at the left hand side, you have three dots, three lines. Click on the three lines and let's click on user and then active user. So you have one account, that is Prasmajit Das. That is your account which you have created just now.
Yeah.
And that user has Microsoft 365 E3 No Teams license. As you see the license tab. So he has that license. So what all things are included in that license? Let's take a look. Click on that user account. Click on Prasmajit Das.
Okay.
Now what all licenses are assigned to this user? Let's click on licenses and apps. Scroll up. Licenses and apps. Now you have given which license? By default, this user has received Microsoft 365 E3 No Teams license. And below there are 49 applications which are included in this license. How many? 49. Let's click on the drop down in front of the 49. Yeah, click on that drop down and then scroll down a little bit. You will see the list of applications which are included. So these are the applications which you can activate, okay, using that license. So that license contains 49 applications. Okay, Microsoft Intune will be there. Can you take a scroll down a little bit? You will find Microsoft Intune there. Let's find Control F to find Intune. Intune. You see Microsoft Intune Plan 1 that is included in this license, right?
Yeah.
Then Entra account application is also included in that one. Search Entra, ENTRA. See, Entra is also added. Then search Defender. You see, Defender is also there, just above Entra. Okay.
Yes.
So these are 49 applications which you can utilize in this license. So if you take Intune standalone license, that is okay, but you will have to take extra license like Entra license extra, then Defender license is also you have to take. So that will cost you $8, but this one is gonna cost you little more, like 3,300 rupees, but it has got everything like Office product you can activate, Windows operating system you can activate, Entra, then Defender, Intune. So all of them are included in this one. Okay, now let's click on close this one. Click on the three lines again at the left hand side. Here you have billing. Click on billing and then choose your products. Now, how many licenses you have? This Microsoft 365 E3, how many license you have? Let's take a look. You got total how many? 25. You see purchased quantity 25. And one license is assigned to a user. That's the reason you have 24 available license. So you can assign this license to total 25 people. Got it?
Yeah.
In production environment, you will have like thousands and thousands of licenses. Let's say 50,000 licenses. So those 50,000 licenses you can assign to your employees. Okay. When user left the organization, you can revoke license. Suppose somebody is joining your organization, you have to give license. When he is left, you revoke license. So that is how you do the license management from this portal. Okay.
Yeah.
Now click on the three lines again. And you have bill payment. So click on that. So every month you are going to get the invoice here from Microsoft. Right now there is no invoice, but every month you will get the invoice ID and then invoice date and all, and you will have to make payment. And it will get the payment will get deducted from your credit card automatically. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So in organization, you don't have to create admin portal account, this the one which we have done, because it will be already there. Now the company account will be there. You will be allowed to assign license to your employees and revoke license when they are left. So that part you do in this admin portal. Okay, or
Yeah.
create account. You can also create your employee account from this portal. Now the next thing is we have to extend the license for 30 more days, because the license which we have right now, it is only for 30 days, but our training is for more than 30 days, right? It will go up to 45 days from today. So we will not be able to um, utilize this in free trial. So what we have to do, we need to extend the free trial for another 30 days. So let's go back to the three lines again. and then choose your products. Now in this one, you need to scroll down a little bit. Click on this Microsoft 365 E3 No Teams trial. Click on that. And here you have to, you see the extend end date. The expiry date is 13th of April, right? But we will take it to to May, 13th of May or 14th of May. Let's click on extend end date and then choose down at the bottom, choose extend trial. Now close this. You see 14th of May now. So you have total how many days available? 60 days from today. You can utilize this product. Now you have to cancel this subscription when? On 13th of May. Because 14th of May is what? Is the expiry date. So from 14th of May, I think from 15th of May, it will start charging from your credit card. So you have to cancel this subscription. You have cancel subscription button, you see?
Yeah.
Cancel subscription option is there on this page, which you need to click on, not now, on 13th of May and cancel the subscription. So set an alarm on your mobile. Everyone, set an alarm on your mobile right now to cancel the subscription. Otherwise, it is going to deduct amount from your credit card or debit card.
That's the maximum extension, or
That's the maximum extension. You can't extend more than 60 days. So set an alarm for that particular day, guys. You know how to do it on your mobile? Hmm? Done, Rasmajit?
Yeah, done.
The alarm will give you the notification on 13th of May to cancel your subscription. So make sure you cancel. Otherwise, you will have, it will deduct money from your account automatically. 60 days, no charge, but after 60 days, it will ask you to for payment. Okay, so that is done. The extension of free trial is done. Now, the next thing is, let's go to Entra portal. The other portal is entra.microsoft.com. So you get access to admin portal. The admin portal link is what? admin.microsoft.com. Right? Now let's go to another portal, open a new tab in Google Chrome and type in entra.microsoft.com. No, not in Google. On the top, type in entra, E-N-T-R-A dot Microsoft dot com. Enter. So that's gonna take you to Entra dot Microsoft. Spelling is incorrect. So this is another portal. What is this portal? The first portal, admin portal, which we have, from where we extended the license. This one is basically the cloud version of your Active Directory. Active Directory is on premises, local on premises Active Directory, domain controller Active Directory, like a database which contains user information, device information, groups information, domain information. It's the same thing. This is basically in the cloud. Okay, so all the authentication user, whenever user is typing the username and password, all your employees account will get validated from here. Okay, all your user accounts are stored here, all your devices are stored here, all your security groups are stored here. So all your user, devices, groups, and basically this is the authentication portal which will help you to authenticate your employees account, whatever the accounts um, people are using. uh, it is going to get authenticated from this portal. So this is called a database portal, like which is for usually for authentication. So at the left hand side you have user. Let's click on user and click on all user. So right now we have only one user, but we will be creating more employee account later tomorrow. You see only one user. Now at the left hand side, then below user you have groups. No, this, yeah, click on
Okay.
groups and all groups. Scroll down. All groups. So all your security groups you can see here. Okay, right now we have only two groups, and these are default groups. They are not security group, they are Microsoft 365 group. I will discuss about the group later on. Then you have devices. Scroll down and then click on devices and all devices. All your devices will show up here, like your um, Apple devices, your Mac devices, your Android devices, Windows devices. All the devices will get registered here. All clear?
Yes.
So this is basically gonna register all your devices, plus it will contain all your user information, plus it will contain all your groups information and authentication information as well, whether the authentication was successful or failed. Let's verify. Click on all user here at the left hand side. And we will see the authentication of this user, Prasmojit, whether this user has entered the email address and password correctly or not, and from where this user is signing in. So all those information we can get it. Let's click on that user and choose sign in logs at the left hand side. Sign in logs. That you can take a look that this user is Azure portal success, Office portal success, sign up success, right? So successfully you have entered the username and password so far, and that's the reason it is giving you the success information. Now click on the first one, scroll up, which says Azure portal. Yeah, click on that. That's gonna show you some more details like location. Click on location. So you are in Odisha,
Yeah.
right?
Odisha. Yeah.
Yeah, that is the location it is capturing. Your location is captured there, and your computer IP address is captured. You see, IP, your laptop IP address. That's your laptop IP address. Basically, it's your router IP address. Okay. Device info. Click on device info. So it is, you are logging in through Chrome, right? Chrome browser.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. So it captures all those details from where this user is logging in, and is he using Chrome or Edge or what. Okay. Now let's go to the Intune portal. The third portal is Intune. Intune.microsoft.com. Now, what is this portal? This portal is for managing devices and managing applications. So this is your main portal, guys. In production environment, if you join as an Intune administrator, you will be working on this portal all the time. This is the main portal. Most of the time, like 99%, you will be on this portal to manage devices and manage applications. Okay. So in order to manage devices from this portal, you have to enroll the devices here. And the devices will show up here at the left hand side. You have devices. Click on the devices. And right now we don't have any device. We haven't enrolled any device. Did we? No, right?
No.
Let's click on skip. Now here we have dashboard. Manage devices by platform. You have Windows, iOS, iPad, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. So there are 5 different operating systems. So all your devices will fall under these categories. So Windows devices will go in Windows, right? And you will have some numbers there. iOS devices will have some numbers, Mac OS, Android, Linux. So it depends on number of devices. So in production environment, you will have like thousands and thousands of Windows devices, thousands and thousands of other operating system devices like iOS, Mac OS, Android, Linux. So you have to do what? Enroll the devices. Either you do the enrollment manually or you do it automatically, which we will see later on how that is done. Okay. Any question from anyone so far?
Kashif, one doubt related to the Entra ID. So the organization's Active Directory with which we'll be logging on to the laptop. So will that be different to the Entra ID? Like, will there be two separate IDs to manage?
Okay, so you're talking about hybrid kind of environment, right?
For example, make my ID as our organization. So I log in with that domain to my company laptop. So will the same ID have access to the Office 365 or it would be different?
Same
Same. Okay.
account.
We'll use the same. So will there be sync between the organization Active Directory and the entered
Yes,
ID?
you have to create the synchronization link. Then only it will have the the details what you have in on premises Active Directory will get synchronized in cloud Active Directory. So this one is the Entra ID, right? The cloud version of Active Directory, which is Entra ID. So you have to create a synchronization link. So how will you create the synchronization link? Basically on your domain controller you need to download one application called Azure AD Connect, and that application is a bridge which will act like a communication bridge between domain, Active Directory, and Entra ID. So whatever the data you have on premises, it will get synchronized in the cloud. Got it? Clear, Musa?
That would be done by Intune administrator itself, or the AD guys will be doing this for us.
Actually, AD guys will do it. You don't have to do that. But in case if you would like to see how that is done, then if you have configuration on your computer and if you can make any one of you make one domain controller server, then I can show you how that is done. Okay.
Very impressive. Got it.
So you
Thank
need
you.
what? You need a domain server. You need a Windows server for that. So either Windows Server 2016 or 19 or 2022. So you build another server, guys. Anyone, if you have good configuration like Arun, Ram, or anyone. So you build one Windows server, and then on that server, I will help you to create domain controller. So once you have the domain controller, then we will do the synchronization of that domain controller with Entra ID. So they will be in sync, both of them. Okay.
Thank you.
So we have 3 different portals. admin portal, that is admin.microsoft.com, Entra portal, entra.microsoft.com, and Intune portal, intune.microsoft.com. Any question before we wrap it up, guys? Hmm? No question? Okay. So tomorrow when we meet, yeah, we have to take the snapshot. Sorry, let's go back to the virtual machine. Ah, okay, let's choose your region and go next here. Is your device ready, Masab?
Yes, Kashif, it's ready.
Okay. So choose your region and click on yes. Choose India. Yeah, yes. Skip.
Yeah, Kasif.
Okay, so choose the second option, setup for organization. We are not using personal here. Set up this account, this machine for organization. Click on next. Now, when you come to this page, wherein it will ask you to log in, right? Don't log in. You have to take snapshot. So how will you take snapshot of this machine? Right click on the name of the machine at the left hand side. Right click and then choose snapshot and then choose take snapshot and type in blank machine in the name. Delete that one and type in blank machine and click on take snapshot. Okay, so this is gonna take the snapshot. So in the future, if you come to this, if you have any issues or you need to come to this snapshot, you can choose this snapshot. Okay, any question before we wrap it up now? Ram, have you built another machine?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, make sure you take the snapshot, everyone.
Yeah, I took the snapshot, and tomorrow, for tomorrow class, I will be ready with these portal IDs, everything.
Okay, good. Masab, have you taken snapshot? Arun?
Yes, Kashyap,
Adding.
done.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye now. Bye,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Bye all.